once you have everything connected and syncing, OneDrive is going to give you a very good overview of the working files that you have at the moment. So if I click on OneDrive here and click View Online, it'll take me to the My OneDrive website. And at the moment, I'm looking at my personal OneDrive. But over here, I have Recent, which will tell me the recent files I have been working on. And as you can see here, you can see the script info, which is the test file we were looking at the previous video. I can look at the share files or folders. Over here, I have shared with you, which is the files that were shared with me. So they're going to show up here, and shared by me. So if I click on it, you can see here, that's the file I have shared over email, and some previous files as well. Also, you're going to have a recycle bin, and that is when you delete a file, sometimes they would come to the recycle bin on OneDrive. So that could be also a redundancy for your files in case you delete accidentally, and you have to take a look. So you cannot find on your computer, it's worth checking the files in the recycle bin from OneDrive. So these are some of the main buttons you find on OneDrive.